action.
Right here.
Yeah. Oh, right there.
How's the right?
That's normal. Uneventful.
Alright, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Do your first rib here.
Okay.
So turn to the left. Is that gonna hurt your head there?
I can take these off. These honestly are good for nothing. Just design at this point.
Alright.
One last one. Okay.
Alright, that's good right there. A little shoulder drop. Alright, straighten out. Breathe in again. Breathe out. How's your back feeling today?
Better. I don't like to sit down for more than 2 hours because that's when pain starts.
Okay, I'm gonna do your left SI joint. Alright, turn towards me. Left side up.
I almost rolled.
Alright, breathe in. Breathe out.
That sounds good.
Deep breath again. Breathe out.
Okay.
Does that feel alright?
Yeah.
Alright, stay there.
Oh.
Alright, let's do an anterior. So sit all the way up. Give yourself a hug. Deep breath in. Roll back. Breathe out. Sound like Winnie the Pooh. Alright, come on over to the chair.
There's more. Thank you.
So overall, is your neck improving? Staying the same?
I think it's improving unless I do something like watch a video in bed.
So quiet here. Alright, let your head tilt.
Ooh. I felt good.
Look good?
Yeah.
How does it feel right down here?
It was a little tight, but not painful.
Alright, let's go and lay on your back. One last one. We're gonna do the y-axis.
Yeah, I was hoping today was a day.
Okay. Alright, let your lower back relax. And your shoulder blades. Your neck. That was good.
I felt that. I felt that.
Alright, come on up. You're all set.
No, but I'm in person.
Woo!